In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a payment in QuickBooks Online. This process will help you efficiently manage your accounts and rectify any accidental transactions. Let's start by ensuring that you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the sign-in page where you'll be prompted to choose the QuickBooks Online option. Once you've selected that, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you type in your username and password correctly to avoid any login issues, and then click on Continue. If you have two-factor authentication set up, be sure to have your mobile device nearby so you can quickly complete the login process. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to the Sales tab. This tab is crucial as it contains all the necessary settings and transactions related to sales, including invoices, customer statements, and most importantly, payment details. Once you're in the Sales tab, you'll see an option labeled Customers. Click on this. Here, you'll find a list of all your customers, each with their own profile. Select the appropriate customer profile to proceed. In the customer's profile, you'll see various transaction details. Carefully scroll through until you find the specific payment transaction you want to cancel. Once you locate it, hover over to the right side where you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on it to reveal more actions. Among the listed actions, you'll find the option to void. Click on Void. This is an important step. Voiding a payment means you want to cancel the transaction without removing it completely from your records. This way, you maintain a record of the action in your financial history for auditing purposes. After you've selected Void, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is just QuickBooks Online's way of making sure you didn't accidentally click on Void. Confirm your action by clicking on the Void button once more. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled the payment transaction. It's always a good idea to double check your work. Head back to the customer's profile to verify that the transaction has been voided successfully. If any issues arise, or if you find that the transaction is still active, you may need to repeat the process or contact QuickBooks support for further assistance. By regularly reviewing and managing your payment transactions in QuickBooks Online, you ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date, thus facilitating smoother business operations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in maintaining your financial records. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.